everyone, welcome back to McCall's baking channel. This week we're going to be making bagels. Bagels are a perfect breakfast food that have been around since the 17th century. They are especially amazing when made fresh in your own home. A warm, chewy bagel really just can't be beat. Follow along to see how you can have a delicious bakery-worthy bagel anytime you'd like. Gather together some Instaferm yeast, warm water, the mixing bowl of your stand mixer, and an electronic kitchen scale. Use the scale to weigh the water. Weighing the water will give you a more precise measurement than using just cups. Sprinkle the yeast over the water. Gently whisk the yeast into the water with a hand whisk. Add the sugar and flour to the bowl. Place the mixing bowl on the stand mixer and attach the dough hook to the mixer. Turn the mixer on medium-low speed and let the dough hook mix your ingredients into a smooth dough. This may take a little bit of time, so be patient. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed using a plastic bowl scraper, getting all the dough fully blended together. Once the dough is nice and smooth, remove the bowl from the mixer and dump the dough onto a clean work surface. Now it's time to use your muscles. Knead the dough by hand until it's smooth and very firm. Bagel dough is tough, so you'll really need to push hard to get the dough well mixed. Break a piece of your dough off and feel the texture of a small piece, making sure it's nice and smooth. You may need to knead the dough a little bit longer to get that perfect smooth texture. Lightly grease a large bowl with oil, then place the bagel dough inside, turning the dough a few times to coat it fully in the oil. Cover the bowl and dough with plastic and then let the dough sit and rise. While your dough is rising, you can make your bagel boiling solution. Grab some McCall's baking soda, water, and a medium-sized pot. Bring the water to a boil, then sprinkle in the baking soda slowly. Be sure to go slow or the baking soda may bubble up over the sides of your pot. It's pretty powerful stuff. Remove the now soft, fluffy dough from the bowl and use a metal bench scraper to divide it into 2 equal-sized portions. Set one portion aside for later and knead the other gently. Flatten the dough into a rough circle, then use your bench scraper to cut the dough into 16 equal pieces. Cut the dough like a pie for easy measuring. To ensure your bagel dough is all the same size, get out your kitchen scale and weigh each piece of dough, adding a little more or cutting off some to make each one exactly the same. Those kitchen scales really do come in handy. Once your dough is portioned, roll each piece into a small, smooth ball. Try to work quickly so your dough doesn't dry out. Cover the dough balls with plastic once again and let the dough rise. Get out a parchment-lined sheet tray. Roll each dough ball into a large log about 6 to 8 inches long. Connect the ends of the log to make a circle. Roll the seam of the circle together, really fusing it together. The word bagel actually means ring, so you want to get that nice bagel shape or else it won't technically be a bagel. Place the dough circle on the sheet tray and adjust the dough as needed. You'll want those bagels to look as perfect as possible. Big bagel bakeries have machines that make their bagels, which is why they always look so uniform. However, making bagels by hand will give each bagel a little unique character. Isn't that more fun anyway? Once the bagels are all shaped, cover the tray with plastic once again to let the dough sit and rest. Drop the bagels into your simmering water and baking soda solution to boil. Use a spider-style strainer to flip the bagels. The strainer gets its name since it looks like a spider web. Scoop the bagels out of the hot water and place them on a towel-lined sheet tray. Dip the bagels in any toppings you'd like, then place them on a clean parchment-lined tray. We love using sesame seeds and poppy seeds, classic bagel flavors, but you can always leave some plain too, since a plain bagel goes with just about everything. Place the bagels in a preheated oven and bake until the edges are golden brown. They're almost ready to eat. Remove the bagels from the oven and let cool slightly. Slice your bagels using a large serrated knife and then enjoy with any fillings you'd like. If you're excited to make homemade bagels, and you can find the complete recipe at McCall's.ca. If you love this video and give our bagel recipe a try, tag us at Love McCall's. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well for more exciting baking and pastry ideas. As always, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, give us a thumbs up or a like, and we'll see you next week with a new video. Thanks!